Well, my battery's running low, but this is the next day, the 29th of September, and we're giving one last look at our refrigerator because in maybe like an hour we're gonna have a new one. But I probably won't be here when it comes. I'll be at work, but then I'll come home and I'll show you what it looks like. And I do have a webinar I got to be in as a meeting at 7 o'clock tonight. I just hope I can get in it early enough. Woo. It looks so weird. Look. The space we gotta fix our house. I mean, like, this always looks so weird when you start rearranging things. So here's the refrigerator. And see? Little Bear has lots of space. I'm heading to work, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit.
Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's time to reveal our new refrigerator. Are you ready? Boop. There it is. It's beautiful.
Hey, Ben. Here comes Ben.
See the inside.
Here comes Ben.
Wow. It's just a plain and ordinary refrigerator.
We bought on purpose that way.
Yep, we like it like this. The French door one was just too, like, I don't know.
There's not enough room.
Not enough room. But this is so much better. This is the ones we like. Very simple. Very good. Baby. And there's Carrie. Hello. Carrie.
I don't have my hair done, so I'm gonna look at you.
Watch out, Daisy.
Oh, well.
My bang look together. Really bad.
You know done. It's so wet. Hey, Dutters. Hey, Dutters. You're so cute. What?
Okay, I'll look at you.
There she is. My camera broke.
Ah, I told you.
Benny. Hi, baby. Hey, Daisy. Alright, guys. Well, I'm going to bed. I love our new refrigerator. And yeah. Can't think of what else. See, Carrie went to sleep over at a new client's house. And then I go to work tomorrow again. And the day after that. I'm ready for a break. Alright, well, I guess with that said, good night, everybody. Don't forget the key.